Do you believe that people are inherently good or bad? It's a question that has puzzled philosophers and thinkers for centuries. Some argue that humans are inherently good, while others argue that they are inherently bad. But what does this really mean? The idea that people are inherently good suggests that there is a basic goodness in human nature that is inherent and unchanging. This perspective argues that human beings are naturally inclined to do good, and that our actions and behavior are determined by this inherent goodness. On the other hand, the idea that people are inherently bad suggests that human nature is fundamentally flawed. This perspective argues that humans are naturally inclined towards evil and destructive behavior, and that our actions and behavior are determined by this inherent darkness. So, which is it? Are we inherently good or bad? The truth is, it's not that simple. Human nature is complex and multifaceted, and it's impossible to reduce it to a simple binary of good or bad. We all have the capacity for both good and evil within us, and our actions and behavior are shaped by a multitude of factors, including our environment, upbringing, experiences, and personal beliefs. In fact, some argue that the very concept of good and bad is subjective and culturally constructed. What is considered good or bad varies across different societies and cultures, and even within a single society, different individuals may have different ideas of what constitutes good or bad behavior. Ultimately, the question of whether people are inherently good or bad is a philosophical one, and there is no easy answer. It's up to each individual to form their own beliefs based on their experiences and observations of the world around them. What do you think? Do you believe that people are inherently good or bad? Or is the truth somewhere in between?